I was able to fly at the bottom, so not a complete failure. So hopefully I got some decent shots and check them out. Just pulled up to Manoa Park, some waterfall joint. About to go hike this trail. Hopefully I don't get destroyed by mosquitoes. I probably will. Literally 10 seconds in, I barely step out the car and I got bit by a mosquito already. These little bastards hate me, I can tell. So outside of these damn mosquitoes all over my face, it's actually very relaxing. It's nothing but the sounds of the creek, the birds chirping, little bugs making their little annoying ass sounds. But it's really nice, super beautiful. And it looks like I'm just about there. Well, that freaking blows. So I brought my drone, hoping to get some nice shots up here. And I go to launch my drone. Well, apparently I got shitty satellite reception up here. So it won't take off any higher than like 10 feet. Win some, you lose some, right? However, on the positive side, it was a good hike up here. Not the easiest trail by any means, or not necessarily the safest. I got some shitty ass, beat up ass, Reebok bootleg ass shoes. Like my shoes are made out of bars of soap and the floor is like a shower. It's just scooting around everywhere. Basically how it is right now. That part blows and it sucks, but hey, stuff happens. It wasn't like the most extreme waterfall ever. This one was like little driplets leaking down the side of a mountain. I'm gonna call this one a semi-bust. Not a complete bust, but still beautiful out here. Oh my freaking gosh, dude. Talk about sacrifice. Fuck. I sacrificed the hell out of myself right now just to get some dope ass drone shots. Hopefully dope. I literally could not sit there and fly without like 15 mosquitoes swarming around my face. I don't like to have hate for many things, but I hate mosquitoes. I was able to fly at the bottom, so not a complete failure. So hopefully I got some decent shots and check them out. If I haven't said this already, I hate mosquitoes. Bullshit. I need to say watch for mosquitoes. It ain't the pedestrians that's the problem, it's the damn mosquitoes.